Major funding for Sesame Street is provided by the following: the National Science Foundation, supporting education and research in science, mathematics, and technology. The National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. Chuck E. Cheese's is a proud sponsor of Sesame Street, where kids are encouraged to exercise. It doesn't make you keep them happy and keeps them healthy, and that's cool for real. Arby's is also a proud sponsor of Sesame Street. Get your favorite French fries, hamburgers, and a large Coke. Arby's. We have the meat. Dunkin' Donuts, proud sponsor of Sesame Street, helping together with the kids and learning about for kids. Dunkin' Donuts, American runs on Dunkin'. And by Burger King, it's a proud sponsor of Sesame Street. Getting the Whoppers and French fries and chicken nuggets and the burgers and the large Coke. Have it your way. Taco Bell is also a proud sponsor of Sesame Street. Get a taco and a great Pepsi. Live Mass. Support of the Big Comfy Couch was provided by Coca-Cola. If you see it, you haven't. To the always Coca-Cola. McDonald's, proud sponsor of Sesame Street, helping kids. McDonald's having so much fun. McDonald's, I'm loving it. Speedway Gas, Marathon Gas Station. Payless Shoes. And by the Children's Miracle Network. REMAKE is also proud sponsor of Sesame Street, helping counselor exercise. About the Cloud, outstanding agents and outstanding results. The U.S. Department of Education, and by viewers like you. The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, the National Endowment for the Arts, the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation, this station and other public broadcasting statements, and like Kids 80. Yay!